Hi, this is Michael Pariente at the Pariente Law Firm PC here in my conference room at the Hughes Center. I wanted to talk to you today about what is possession. Possession is defined as the exercise of dominion and control over a certain item. I'm going to give you a hypothetical. Let's say that you and your friend are driving your car. You're pulled over by the police search your car, and they find a small bag of cocaine inside the glove compartment. Based on those facts alone, is that enough for the prosecutor to prove his or her case beyond a reasonable doubt? The answer on those facts is no, because the prosecutor has not established that you or the passenger actually possessed, that you exercised dominion and control over that cocaine. It's not enough for the prosecutor to say, hey, they were in the car, they were the ones nearest to the cocaine, therefore they are possessing it. That's not the definition of possession. So if you've been charged with possessing a controlled substance or any type of contraband, give me a call. I'm more than happy to meet with you in person or talk to you over the phone about how I can help you. Hi, this is Mike Pariente. I'm talking to you from the conference room here at the Pariente Law Firm PC at the Hughes Center. And what I wanted to talk to you today is about a situation I see quite a bit here in Las Vegas, where a parent has a son or daughter or a loved one who's addicted to drugs. Most commonly, the types of drugs that person's addicted to are methamphetamines, heroin, crack cocaine, or hydrocodone. Hydrocodone or oxycodone are some of the main substances that I see that are prescription based. In any event, what happens is a lot of times these people will get addicted to these types of drugs and go out and commit crimes such as burglary, theft, as a way to support that drug habit. But what's needed in a situation is like in this is to not only avoid the felony charge, the underlying felony charges is burglary or whatever that case may be, to avoid that and also to get that person treatment. And that's what we tend to do in these kinds of cases, especially where it's a non-violent offense. A lot of times what happens is we can get your loved one into some sort of treatment center and at the same time avoid a felony conviction, because the problem with a felony conviction is it destroys careers, it destroys opportunities, and we're well aware of that. We want to avoid that and often get the case worked out to where if your loved one completes the drug treatment and is successful while on probation, the case gets dismissed or gets reduced to a non-felony offense. Those are the kind of results that we seek. And it really has the dual benefit of not only keeping that person's record clean, but also getting them the treatment that they need. So if you or a loved one have any sort of situation where you or your loved one are charged with possession of a controlled substance or burglary, theft, any type of drug-related offense, give me a call. I'd be more than happy to sit down with you. The consultation is free of charge. I'd love to sit down with you here in my office and we can discuss what I can do to help you. If you're from out of state and you can't come to Las Vegas, we can set up a time over the phone. Just give us a call at 702-966-5310. I look forward to serving your legal needs.